Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Tesla to J1772 adapter using correct practices, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install a Tesla to J1772 adapter, start by gathering your materials. Ensure you have the Tesla J1772 adapter and a compatible charging station. Next, locate your Tesla's charging port. It's typically found on the rear driver's side. Gently open the charging port door. Take the Tesla to J1772 adapter out of its packaging. Inspect the adapter for any visible damage. If there's no damage, proceed to the next step. Align the J1772 connector with the charging port on the adapter. Make sure the flat side of the J1772 connector faces downwards. Insert the J1772 connector into the adapter firmly. You should hear a click when it's securely in place. Now, take the entire adapter and plug it into the Tesla's charging port. Ensure it's fully seated and locked in. Once connected, check for any indicators on the Tesla's display. There should be a confirmation that charging has begun. If the charging doesn't start, remove the adapter and check the connections. Reattach the adapter and ensure it is securely locked in place. Once charging is active, monitor the Tesla's charging status on the dashboard. If everything is working correctly, you are all set. Always follow safety precautions while handling electrical equipment. When done charging, disconnect the adapter by pressing the release button. Store the adapter in a safe place for future use. This concludes the installation process for the Tesla to J1772 adapter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.